Hello and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. Every week on Mondays, we spotlight YouTube channels we know that you will learn from and enjoy. All the channels introduced this week have clickable links below the video. To access the links, simply click the More button and use the links next to each listed channel. Visit, subscribe, and like all the channels in this week's UCC YouTube Spotlight of the Week. If you would like to be considered for membership to the UCC group and you have a YouTube channel and a Facebook group of at least 200 members, then email us at uccgroup2021@gmail.com. The first channel of the week, selected by Robin Espich, is Len's Crafty Life, owned by Lenneke Plat. Lenneke said about her channel, "My channel is all about fabrics and paper crafts. I started my YouTube channel just over 3 years ago and love the crafting community. I started off with fabric makes like wall hangings, fabric postcards, also mixed media wall hangings, and for the last 6 months or so, I'm getting more and more into paper crafting like making junk journals." The second channel of the week, selected by Teri S, is Cara Brandon's Creations, owned by Cara Brandon. When asked about her channel, she said, "I started my YouTube journey the summer of 2017 while on summer break from teaching. Since then, I've really enjoyed learning and creating videos. I make junk journal tutorials, ephemera, flip-throughs, and my most recent endeavor, making and using digital kits. I was terrified to make digitals. One day I just decided to jump in and try. I've just been exploring and doing more. I hope you join me on this creative journey. YouTube makes this huge world of ours a bit smaller. It brings creative folks together to share and create with." Thank you for joining us with this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Spotlight. We will see you again on Monday with the next UCC YouTube Spotlight and even more excellent YouTube channels.